Today I'll show you how to use School Data Sync or SDS to import student data into Office 365. In this video, I'll show you how to use SDS and sample CSV files in a trial environment. First things first, download the CSV sample files here. Unzip the file. And check the sample CSV files. Next, let's make sure you have the SDS license turned on. In the Office 365 Admin Center, go to Active Users and select your global admin account. Confirm that School Data Sync is turned on and part of the Office 365 Education Product License. Confirm that you can access SDS by navigating to the SDS portal and signing in, or from the Office 365 Admin Portal, select School Data Sync from the Admin Center's menu. Okay, now we're ready to get started. In the SDS portal, click Settings. Turn on School Data Sync. A notification appears that it's on. Click OK, and you'll see that new menu items appear here on the left. We're going to choose Add Profile. This opens a setup wizard so we can create your sync profile, a set of options that define how your data will be synchronized. For the new profile, let's name our profile, select Upload CSV files as the sync method, and then select CSV files SDS format. Click Start. Now let's configure sync options. In the Sync Options screen, select New Users. In the Import Data section, click Upload Files and then add the CSV sample files we previously downloaded from GitHub. In the School and Section Properties, make sure the attributes that have been automatically selected for you align to your CSV files. If you select additional properties or deselect any properties, make sure you have the properties and values contained within the CSV files. Here, we're not changing the default values. For the sync option for section group display name, check the box to allow teachers to overwrite the section names. Otherwise, SDS will always reset the display name value for sections to the value contained within the CSV files. We want our student roster data to sync immediately, so we'll uncheck the student enrollment option. Checking the Intune for Education license option allows users to receive the Intune for Education license and to create the SDS dynamic groups and security groups, which will be used within Intune for Education. Next, we'll configure the teacher options. Select the domain for the teachers. SDS appends the selected domain suffix to the teacher's username attribute contained in the CSV file. To build the user principal name for each user in Office 365 Azure Active Directory during the account creation process. Once the account is created, the teacher can log into Office 365 with the user principal name. For the teacher properties, make sure the attributes that have been automatically selected for you align to your CSV files. If you select additional properties or deselect any properties, you must have the corresponding properties and values contained within the CSV files. Here, we won't change the default. Select this SKU to assign licenses for teachers and click Next. Now we'll configure the student options. This is similar to how we configured the teacher options, so let's do that here. And then click Next. And here we review the profile summary to confirm it matches the data that we entered. Looks good. So we'll click Create Profile. You'll see your profile page, and we'll see that our profile is being set up. Try refreshing the page until you see the status change from Setting Up to Sync in Progress. Beneath the Sync in Progress status, you'll see which of the 5 sync stages SDS is working on. Stage 1, validating data. Stage 2, processing schools and sections. Stage 3, processing students and teachers. Stage 4, adding students and teachers into sections. And Stage 5, setting up security groups. If you don't see a sync in progress status on the sync profile and you get an error message instead, This indicates that SDS encountered data issues during the pre-sync validation check and has not started syncing your data. This gives you an opportunity to fix the errors identified before continuing. Once you've fixed any errors, or if you prefer to continue with the errors and begin syncing your data anyway, resume sync and start the sync process. And that's it. Your sync profile is now created.